Right, hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my next video. I hope everybody's all okay. This week's restoration, I've got Mr. Ian Hulley to thank for this one. He sent me this MG, well it's an Mgc GT, and it's number 345. So Ian Hulley sent me this one to restore. He's also sent me a load of spares for it. I managed to get another couple of knackered models on eBay that I could use parts of. I've had a job finding the parts for this one that I needed, and it's taken me a long time. It's taken me about 3-4 weeks to actually get the thing done, you know. I had 2 attempts at it because the bonnet, painting the yellow and then masking it off and painting the bonnet, I got a bit of colour bleed underneath, and I kind of sorted it out and I wasn't happy with it, so I stripped it down and I did it again, and this time it's worked out okay. It's done alright, so I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. Anyway, thanks to everybody who subscribed, all my new subscribers. It's creeping up very, very quickly, and yeah, thank you everybody who subscribed, and thank you for all your comments. Please keep them coming. So anyway, without any more hold-ups, let's get on with this restoration. So please sit back and relax and enjoy the video and see how I got on. Okay, so let's have a look at it. So somebody's already done it, drilled it out. That wasn't me, that was somebody else. And we'll have a look what's there. There's a rubber band. Okie doke. Whoop, bloody. Oh, that's the doors off. Okay. So the base plate looks pretty good. So that's fine. This front bumper has got, oh crikey, it's broken anyway, so I can glue that, and it's got the piece missing there, which I can do something with that. So not the end of the world there. Now both, or all the suspension pieces are broken off of that one, so that's crap. This is okay. The 2 door things are, the springs still, the doors shut, are gone on there, so I'll have to sort something out with that. So we'll find something to get around that one. The wheels are okay. Wheels and axles okay. Interior, yeah, is okay. Just missing the dashboard, but that's not a problem because I've got one here that I've got on eBay. Not very good, but probably enough bits more or less to sort this one out. The steering wheel, dashboard, if I can get it out. Seat rest, that's missing, or the backrest I should say, the seats are missing. So there's one, two, different colour, so I'll have to spray them black. What else have we got here? This, I don't know if I can sort of join two together. It's still, I'm still going to be one short of the suspension things on here, but I could probably make something up for that. Yeah, there's a piece missing off there, but I can do that, sort that. Maybe cut the piece off there, off that one, put it on that one, glue it on that one. Now the front is not very good on this one either. Yeah, so that got to go on there. So we'll sort that out. We'll make it fit somehow or another. Okay. Right, the door's okay. The glass or plastic windscreen, that's actually good. So that's alright. That's good. And yes, I've got a back window that I had with the other one. It was in here, I've taken it out. Where is it? It's in here somewhere. It's in here, that's all the rest of the other parts of that one. So I've probably got enough pieces for that one to make something up. I'm going to have to repair a lot of pieces. You know, do a bit of homemade stuff. That comes out alright. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so there's enough pieces there to make this one up, so I think it'll be alright. Lovely. Okay, so we'll get this in the caustic soda and then go from there. Okay, see you in a bit. Yeah, I forgot to say that the lights are missing out of here. So I've got the ones out the other one. I've got some new jewels to put in, but I've got the grey surrounds that fit into the holes that the jewel fits into. I've got those out of the old one, and I've done that by drilling a little hole in the back of the light Bob Willis showed us how to do on one of his videos. You drill through the back of the light, like through there, just through there, each side, and carefully drill through, and then when the drill goes through, well, it pushes these out of the hole. So that's what I've done with the other one. These are already missing, so I can put these ones into this one when I'm ready. See that the jewel's missing out of that one. You can see it's just the backing part that the jewel fits into, which goes into there, which is good. That's what I need. That's the important thing. Okie doke. Well, we'll get that in the caustic soda anyway. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, here we go with the boiling water. That's probably enough. Not very big model. Okay, now the old caustic soda. Might be enough. I don't want to waste it. I've had to buy another pot, but it's only a small one. That's all I could get. It's fizzing away nicely. water's turning yellow, so that's a good sign. Leave it for a little bit. Okay, so giving it a bit of an old wire brush yet. Get what I can with this brush and that this brush, and then if there's any bits I can't get to, I'll do it with my Dremel. Rotary tool rather. Do that. Those inside bits probably with it. This was good strong paint because the caustic soda didn't get everything off this time. Do that with a rotary tool. Okay, well, you get the gist of what I'm doing. Like I say, I'll finish it off with the rotary tool. Just I haven't got much wire brushes left on my rotary tool. I must get some more, so I'll do the biggest with this one first, and then get into all the awkward bits with the rotary tool. So, okay, I'll get this done, and then we'll see what we've got there when that's done. Okay, catch you in a bit. Okay, so that's all cleaned up now, all wire brushed and ready for primer. So I'm going to go out and prime that now. Okay, no. she is, primed up. Okay, so next time I'll be putting the colour on it. Right, so I've painted this MG for the second time, yellow, because I wasn't happy with it the first time. So I've masked off, this time actually I just put yellow straight on, I didn't bother priming it the second time round, because my acrylic black, when I've put primer on, it seems to mix some of the primer into the black and it gets like white flecks in it. So I've just done it straight in the middle this time. So that's the masking tape off the bonnet. So now I've got to mask off the yellow and then paint the black on the bonnet. Okie dokie. Catch you in a bit. Right, so when I first had this one, there were no lights in it. So I got another model, a knackered one off of eBay, and it had the lights in, so I've drilled the lights out to put into that one, into the other one. And but one of them, it was just the light casing, not the jewels, so I had some reproduction jewels that I'd bought it on eBay. So I got a small bag of different size ones, so I put 2 new ones in, because I tried putting one in but it wasn't quite the same colour as the other one, so I put 2 new ones in there. Okay. Now the chassis, this was one I got again off of eBay with a car for spare parts, and the car was pretty far gone, so it wasn't really worth doing up. I suppose it could have been at a push, but I needed parts for this one. So it had broken suspension, so I've fixed that up. I've put a little bit of paper clip. I cut a paper clip up and glued it with some super glue to the top of the suspension to try and make it solid. This little bumper, what they call them, I don't know, it's an outrider or whatever it is, it was missing on that one, it was broken, so I've made one up out of little bits of plastic off of the original chassis of this car. But other than that, it was okay, and I've just sort of crumbed it up with a Molotov pen. This piece on the original car was broken, and I tried to repair it, and it just kept breaking. It's so brittle that as I did a bit more on it, a bit more broke, and in the end, luckily enough, again on this spare one I got on eBay, this part was one of the parts that was okay, so that sort of got me out of it. It's taken me a long time to do this car. I've been trying to do this one for well over a month, and I've been gradually trying to get all the bits together. So now I've finally got everything I need, so it's time to reassemble it. Okay, so let's get on with it. Right, so wind the camera, Nick. Do I do that? No, I've got to put this in first, haven't I? Oh, I'm not looking forward to this tailgate. Hang on, where's my little tiny screwdriver? This is where it could all go big time wrong. How am I going to get that? Like that. So that went in easier than I expected. Oopsie, that's it, knock everything over. Oh gee. Try and get this camera angle right. Okie doke, so put this glass in. Okay, so just putting the tyres on. That one's got a little bit of an off flat spot on it. I've got some smooth tyres, but I think they were treaded on these, so I want to put these back on because they look a bit better. That one's got a little flat spot. Let's put that on the inside, it won't show so much. There. Make sure they're sitting straight. Right. I'm guessing doors in next, maybe. That's a bit fiddly. Trying to get them to stay in. Right. That's it, the front grille's got to go in next. And holds the doors in. I hope. That's it. Dashboard. Make sure the steering's in okay. On that falling out. There, she's in. Right, seat backrests, got to make sure they're properly in. Ah, it's falling out. Fiddly. Don't tell me. It won't go. think because I might have made my little rivet posts a little bit wide. There, that's gone in. Right, tyres, wheels I mean, axles. Now, are they both the same? Yeah. Just going to knock that one a bit because it's the wheel's sort of almost coming off there. Not coming off, but it's jamming in the hub. So I'm just going to hammer that a bit down. Lovely jubbly. Put it the right way round, eh? Right. That's the back, I think, and that's the front. Put some super glue. Right, I'll just leave that for a little bit to dry. Okay. Okay, so it's dried okay. So there she is pretty much. Just got to do the highlighting now, detailing. Highlighting, I said it again. The detailing, it's the lights on the back, that's about it. Yeah, so at last. Okay, so I've printed out some stickers. They're not that great because I've been messing around trying to get them the right size on the computer, but they're not too bad, so I'm going to try put them on. If they look shit, I'll just take them off. So I'll need the tweezers or something for this to get them on the right, in the right place. Why the hell have they got a mind of their own? You don't feel that sticky. Oh, that's cockeyed. I don't actually feel that sticky. Right. Maybe the lacquer in them hasn't helped. I put number 7 because that's what I could find on that memory stick that I got with the box templates on. So number 7 was on there, so I just tried to size them. So I'm not too good at that sort of thing. Oh Christ, that's gone cockeyed. There. It's not showing up very great, but anyway. Well, the white isn't showing through very well because of the black background, black bonnet. But side door's not too bad. There. Okay, so that's that bit. So just detailing on the lights to do. So I'll do that now. Okay, so that's it done. All finished. The only thing I haven't got is the water slide transfer with MG across the back, but I can't seem to get hold of one. I've looked on eBay, but I can't find one, so it'll have to go without for now. Anyway, that's more or less it. And then Ian HULLEY, who sent me this model in the first place, a couple of weeks after, he made me up a box and he sent me a box to put it in. So it's a lovely box he's made, and so that's it. We got the whole shooting match there. So yeah, my thanks again to Mr. Ian HULLEY. That's great. So that's the third model that you've sent me now that I've done. So I've still got a couple more to do that Ian sent me. So okay, so we'll take a look at how it used to be on the turntable, and then I'll shove it back on and we'll take another look at it now, how it is going round. Okay, well, thanks very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it and you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. It would be very nice if you did. And you know, keep watching the videos. So until next time, this time next week hopefully, I'll see you again. Cheerio for now.